everyone, and welcome back to SlideUpLift. You know those moments when you need your slides to really wow the audience. We've all been there, but let's face it, bullet points and stock photos can get a little, boring. We're here to share 5 uncommon design hacks that'll transform your tired slides into show-stopping masterpieces. So grab your favorite presentation software and get ready to take notes. First up, bullet points. We've all seen those slides overflowing with bullet points. Let's be honest, they can be a snooze fest. Instead, try using animations to reveal key information step by step. This keeps your audience engaged and focused on the specific point you're making at that moment. Next up, negative space. Ever felt like your slides are bursting at the seams? It's time to embrace the power of negative space. Negative space refers to the empty areas on your slide. Don't be afraid to let your visuals breathe. A well-balanced slide with strategic use of negative space allows your key message to take center stage and makes the entire presentation feel more polished. Third on the list is scale and overlap. Want to create a sense of hierarchy on your slides? Play with scale, make important elements larger to grab attention, and use smaller elements for supporting information. Take things a step further by strategically overlapping elements. This adds depth and visual interest, making your slides pop. Next up, we have art. Let's inject some personality into your presentations. Incorporate hand-drawn elements like icons, illustrations, or even text. It doesn't have to be a masterpiece. A simple touch can make a big difference. This personal touch adds a layer of creativity and makes your presentation more memorable for your audience. And finally, text formatting. Who says text has to be stuck in a boring text box? Let's break free from the traditional format. Experiment with text placement, use diagonal lines, curves, or even shapes to create a dynamic layout. This unexpected approach adds visual intrigue and keeps your audience on their toes. So there you have it, and remember, a well-designed presentation doesn't just inform, it engages. It sparks conversations and leaves a lasting impression. And if you're looking to take your presentations to the next level, head over to our website for a stunning collection of pre-designed templates that are guaranteed to make you look professional. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more presentation tips from SlideUpLift.